There once was a turtle who lived in a quiet coral reef, far from the noise of crashing waves. Each day, the tide would come and go, sometimes calm, sometimes rough. He didn't chase the current. But the turtle never hurried. He moved slowly, with grace, trusting that the ocean would carry him where he needed to be. He simply rested. And kept moving. And kept moving. While the world above rushed by. He found peace below, deep, steady, and still. Like the turtle, you don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to breathe, trust, and keep going. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. Let your soul bloom quietly, even beneath the waves.